Hi folks, this is Sean Hyman, and I just wanted to talk to you about how to know which currency is mainly the mover out there at any given time. With two parties always being involved, like the dollar and the CAD, or the euro and the dollar, or what have you, it's sometimes hard for people to scan through their charts and to tell what's the mover. Is it the euro or is it the dollar and the euro dollar pair, etc. And I want to show you one easy and free way to do that. This is from a company called netdania.com, netdania.com. And again, this is a free package. I don't get any kickbacks or anything from this. This is just something to share with you for free. Once you're on their homepage, you go to products, and then once the product page pulls up, we'll see a left-hand column here. And you want to choose NetStation. Once you choose NetStation, you'll get this, which is just a screenshot of what this looks like, and a click here. You click that and it will load this Java platform, and just for speed's sake, I want to show you what it looks like here. This is what it looks like, and you'll see your quotes flashing here, charts here, which you can blow up bigger if you like. That sort of thing. When you click on your chart, you'll get the menu up here for the charts, because when you're not clicked on it, you won't see the menu for the charts. So that's good to know. And then there's some live news feed over here as well. So the thing that I want to show you that's kind of unique to this free charting package, here you see the pairs listed in somewhat of a traditional format, right? Euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar CAD, etc. They kind of rank them in a traditional format of how you're most likely to view a currency pair on down. So they start with the majors and rank them on down, and that's the traditional way that currencies are traditionally displayed. Well, what I want to do is show you how that you can see which ones are the real movers and shakers at the moment. See this percent change column? I can click on it twice. The first one gives me the biggest losers first. The second time I click on it, shows me the biggest percent gainers. So the thing that's gaining the biggest percent wise on down. Now we are in the Asian session when I'm filming this. And so you're probably not, it's normally your more tame session, so you're usually not going to see some pairs being so distinct in their moves as you will in the US and European sessions. When you see something have a 1% change in a day, that's a pretty decent size move. A 2% is above average move, and then if you see something up here that's like 3 or 4%, that's a huge move for a one-day move, one intraday move. So in this course, we'll mix a few things in here, silver and gold and things of that sort, and a couple of exotics, like the dollar and the ruble here. But what it'll do is, and of course we can see gold at 1223, another all-time high, by the way, never seen before, ever. So that's pretty amazing. But so what we see here is the Kiwi dollars first. Then you've got euro pound, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, euro yen, Swiss yen, Aussie yen, etc. So what's the theme here? We know that there's dollar weakness. We know that there's yen weakness. We know that there's been some Aussie and euro strength, and a lot of that probably due to the rise in gold and certain commodities keeping the dollar weak, and many of these strong. And then you can scroll down to the bottom of this list as well, and you can see some of your biggest percent losers. And the same would apply there. If you see them down 1%, that's a pretty decent amount. If they're down 2%, that's a pretty big deal. But if you see them, down 3% or more, that's a huge deal that you don't see just every day. And so here on the low end, notice that crude oil has been a little weak and it's pulled back 76 or so, but we see Aussie Kiwi, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, pound Swiss, etc., dollar yen, and so we know that the dollar is weak, and we also know there's a touch of Swiss strength out there as well. So when you look at this percent gainers and losers list, just by the way that this charting package happens to allow you to be able to rank that and put it in that order, it makes it to where you can really see what is moving a pair in particular. Now, also in addition to this, of course, you can take and you can rank the world markets this way. You can rank the Dow Jones Industrial Components this way, the Dow 30 stocks, the NASDAQ 100 stocks you can rank this way as well. Sometimes I like to rank the world markets just to see where the money's been flowing overnight and what's moving, the most, etc. Like right now you've got Belgium and France, Europe up, a decent amount. Now keep in mind, you've got to account for the European sessions are not open right now, the Asian sessions are, etc. But you can kind of see once they complete their sessions, who was up the most, who was down the most, because you can see the money flow there as well. But the main focus would just be on this majors tab right here, and you can go through this. Also keep in mind too, there is, like if you want to list everything by dollar pairs, for instance, you can do that there. You can do your percent change to where it lists those as well and shows it there. And so, if you want to make your list a little bit cleaner, of course you can do that as well and see what the dollar, what's the dollar moving up or down against, and what's the strongest or weakest against that. So that can be very helpful. Most of the time I just stick with the majors because that way I can see what the crosses and the majors are doing and which crosses are strong or weak, what the majors are doing against the dollar and that sort of thing. So I can see like the whole bigger picture that way. So anyway, that is the chart of the day. Thanks so much for watching.